1 cup of chunky peanut butter, 235 gram, half a cup of Low-Carb sweetener, 75 gram, 1 egg, and optionally, 4 pinches of Himalayan salt. How to prepare keto peanut butter cookies. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Mix all the ingredients together. Step 3. Shape the dough into 15 grams balls and flatten them with your hands. Step 4. Arrange them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each cookie. Step 5. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Step 6. Let the cookies cool down completely without touching them, as they are still fragile when hot. This will take around 15 minutes. Step 7. If desired, transfer the cookies to a cooling rack and let them cool for an additional 20 minutes to achieve a crunchy and nutty texture. This is the recipe for peanut butter cookies keto with only 3 ingredients.